Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are in Feltham in London Borough of Hounslow, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so the drone's up in the sky, as you can see, right up there. We're going to go up to the max height. I'm going to do a 360 photo. Yeah, nice and sunny day today. I mean, I just done a drone flight in Ealing Broadway, and I wasn't sure if we're going to stay sunny, and it did stay sunny, so that's the good thing. Actually, when I was on the way here, I saw the clouds actually roll in, and I was worried. Did I just make the journey for no reason? Then it came back when I arrived here, so that's a good thing. So what we're going to do is going to do 360 photo, then we're just going to zip around Feltham. All right, 360 photo is now complete. So yeah, this is a little area in West London. We're not far from Heathrow at all. But we're just outside the no flying zone, so we're allowed to fly here. We're allowed to fly a drone here, so we can just get a tour of Feltham. So towards that way is Heathrow Airport, and yeah, the flying zone's just, the no flying zone's just starting near here. I'm in the area where we're allowed to fly, so this is the closest I am. This is the closest I can get to the NFZ. So basically, this is the closest I can get to getting a shot of it. Look, you can actually see a plane take off. Look in the center of the screen. You can see a plane take off in that area. Actually insane. So we're the closest that we can fly to Heathrow before we get to the NFZ, no flying zone. Otherwise we're not allowed to fly in that area. I don't know why I'm still recording on my screen, because I'm getting some FPS lost. I mean, the good thing is that we're nowhere near the no flying zone, so let's just get a shot of Feltham. So over here we got the SWR station, South Western Railway run through here, so got Feltham station in this area. Let's go to the north of Feltham. Got Lidl right over here as well. It's a good place to fly. Let's go towards this area down here. Let's go to the north area. The no flying zone starts here. No, it doesn't start here actually. It starts further down. I was trying to see where it nearly starts. Then because yeah, it's good to fly. Like, it's the closest that you can fly near to Heathrow, like I said so many times. So let's get a shot of this town centre of Feltham. I was thinking of taking off from Feltham Park, but this is more closer to the town centre. And it's more away from the no flying zone anyway, because I'm a bit to go close to that anyway. So let's just get a shot of Feltham. We're flying near the leisure centre, Feltham Leisure West. It's a bit windy, but it's very calm. Got a Lidl right over here, like we already saw, and then we got the station, Feltham station. Oh, it's a bit cloudy. Come on, man! I had a feeling this would happen, and it did. Oh, okay, the sun's back now, which is good. So you got the centre, Feltham centre. We've got a McDonald's in this area. Where's the McDonald's? The McDonald's is down here. Let's get a shot of the McDonald's right over here. And then we've got the like a cathedral. Let's get a sick shot of that. See, when I lose FPS, I overshoot the shot, which is kind of annoying. So we've got the centre, we've got a lot of shops here. We've got an Iceland. Oh, it's quite windy here for the drone. Yeah, we're moving quite slowly because of the sudden winds just came here. I was thinking of doing some plane spotting on the way here, but then I didn't bring my big tripod because otherwise that would have been too big. So over here we've got a Costa. We got a German doner kebab. That's actually one of my friends' joint. German doner kebab. So I've come here, and yeah, it's quite cool to get an aerial shot of that because one of my mates, that's one of my mates' joint. German doner kebab, Feltham, GDK. We've got a subway in this area as well. To get a closer shot of German doner kebab. It'd be cool to get a nice aerial shot of it because I've come here on an occasion of times, a lot of times. From my screen I can't really see it, but you can see the orange. So yeah, we've got the Asda right over here. We've got a block of flats in this area. Got a big train line that goes all the way to Ashford, which is actually in Surrey. Maybe I could go. I haven't done a drone flight in Surrey yet, actual Surrey. I mean, I've done a drone flight in Kingston, which is basically before 1965. That was Surrey, so even this area is probably, actually no, this area is probably Middlesex before 1965, but areas like Kingston, Croydon, that area before 1965, that was actually part of Surrey. And even areas like Greenwich and Eltham, that area, that's part of Kent. It's quite interesting, isn't it? Like seeing where it was before 1965. Because even I mean, no flying zone starts almost in that area. Anyway, we're just going to come back now. And even areas like Stratford, Newham and East London, that was all part of Essex before. And where I flew in Dagenham as well. In fact, most of London was all Middlesex, and then after 1965, that all became part of just London, and Middlesex just disappeared. So yeah, let's get a shot of the area. Got a Tesco superstore near here. We've got a Asda. Let's get a shot of the Asda. Let's get a shot like I did in Eltham. What's funny, Eltham is an area in South East London, just like what I mentioned. And it's basically just Feltham without the F. Let's get a shot of I don't know, what can you get a shot of now? Should we get a shot of the Tesco over there? Let's get more shot of that Tesco in that area. Good thing is that there's a little breeze today, and the band of clouds helped it stay cooler, because if it was completely cloudless, just like yesterday, it would have been proper hot and muggy. I mean, it is muggy. I mean, in this country, our sweat doesn't evaporate due to high humidity levels. If you live in a drier climate, our sweat evaporates. That's why we can cool down more. Because when the air is wet to begin with, then there's nothing to evaporate to. If it's dry, the air is gonna pull the moisture out of your skin. But since the air is moist already, it doesn't need to pull the sweat out of your skin, so that's why you just stay sweaty and you don't really cool down a lot. That's why in this country you can't handle the heat that much, and we don't really have ACs in this country. I mean, obviously some places like supermarkets and all that, we have ACs, but literally this country is not designed for the heat. Even in Europe, most of Europe's not designed for this heat wave, because places in France actually reach 40 degrees, which is actually tremendously hot. What should we get a shot of now? Should we get a shot of the residential area of Feltham? Yeah, let's get a shot of the residential. We've got an orange car right over here. Yep, let's follow it. We're right in the centre. I usually like to come to the Heathrow area to do plane spotting with my camera. I just bring my 300mm lens and I use my camera to just get shots of the planes. Of course I can't fly my drone near there because that would be illegal. Flying near an airport, NFZ, no flying zone. Probably get arrested if you fly anywhere near the airport. That's why I'm flying in this area where there's no NFZ, so that's why I can fly here. I mean, even like the main London Borough of Hillingdon has two airports, two major airports. Basically, one is of course Heathrow. Heathrow is actually mainly in Hillingdon, and the second one is Norfolk, RAF Norfolk, which is an airbase in London Borough of Hillingdon. So that's why I can't really fly in. Even though Hillingdon's one of the biggest boroughs in London, I can't fly in most of it because it's all they both have a big NFZ, where I can't fly in most of the borough. I mean, I flew in Uxbridge, which is just outside of the NFZ of Norfolk. But then, yeah, most of that borough. And of course, Hounslow is mainly, even most of Hounslow is covered by an NFZ, and Hillingdon's pretty much in the London Borough of Hillingdon. So, I mean, Heathrow is in the London Borough of Hillingdon, so yeah. So what we'll do is come back now, just get a shot of this area. There's a little big tennis court in this area. There's a big park here, Hanworth Park, but obviously where I'm flying is better because it's more closer to the town centre. I actually prefer flying here. I think I've done everywhere I can in this London Borough because this area's got no flying zone everywhere. So I've flown in Hounslow, the town centre. I mean Hounslow East, east of the Hounslow, because even Hounslow Central is part of the NFZ. And I've flown in Brentford as well, and near Turnham Green as well. mean, Brentford's the reason why why does the name of Brentford is because it's named after the River Brent, which runs through the area. So even the London Borough of Brent is named after the river. And Brent Cross itself is not in London Borough of Brent, it's actually in Barnet. So there's some kind of confusion there, but of course it's next to the borough border and the River Brent runs through that area, so that's why it's called Brent Cross. And then there's another Brentwood in Essex, and that's got nothing to do with the Brent in northwest London. So there's even a place called Brent River Park in where I flew in Greenford. That's where the River Brent runs through as well. So we've got a Cineworld right over here, we've got a Pizza Hut. So this is where I'm flying from, the leisure area. We've got a Cineworld, we've got a Shears Khan, which is a restaurant. We've got a gym, the gym group. We've got a 10-pin bowling. And we've got a bingo place, Buzz Bingo. I mean, I swear I saw something like that when I flew in Cricklewood, which is in northwest London as well. So it's, yeah. Alright, what else can we get a shot of? Let's just get one more shot of the town centre. There's a little pond over here. Because in the minute we're just going to land the drone now, because our battery's running a bit low. Our battery's knackered. Yeah, let's get one more shot of this Tesco area. And yeah, let's just land the drone now. I'm going to land it right here. Let's come back to there anyway. We even got a Burger King right over here, and we've got a Pizza Hut at that far end as well. Alright, where should we land? Should we land in the parking spot? Or let's not land on the road. Don't want to get my drone smashed by a vehicle. I'm just going to land it right here. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight in Feltham in London Borough of Hounslow in West London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.